Hello instructors, welcome to TutorCruncher. TutorCruncher is the remote learning platform that we will be using for our online sessions. I'm going to give you a brief demonstration on how to navigate the website, start a session with a student, as well as some of the other features that you may find useful. Once you have had your schedule confirmed and a profile has been created for you, you will receive a welcome email from TutorCruncher. This will include a link to set your password and access your account. When you log in, you will see this page, your dashboard. As the website can also be used as a way for people to apply for tutoring jobs, there are a few features that we will not be using and you can ignore for now. This includes all of this information at the bottom of your dashboard, as well as the Available Jobs and Current Applications tabs. Here, you can see a snapshot of the jobs. You can also see the jobs that you have been assigned under the My Jobs tab in the sidebar. A job is a student placement, so if you see a student name under this tab, it means that you are assigned to work with this student. Here, you can just see example job, but on your profile, you will see a list of all the students that you are assigned to work with. A job is different from a lesson. Each lesson is a session or appointment that has been scheduled with you and your student. We will take a look at how to view your scheduled lessons shortly. You can also access all of your reports from the sidebar. As you can see, I don't currently have any reports written, but I will show you how to create one a little bit later. A report is just a summary of the lesson that is sent to the parents after the lesson is complete. This would be similar to the summary that you would give a parent in person at the end of your session. The last tab on the sidebar is the online whiteboard. This is the same whiteboard feature that is used in the sessions, also called bit paper. You can use this feature to plan lessons and create materials, and I would advise that you explore this feature a little bit before your first session. Now let's look at how to start a lesson. If you click the calendar, you can see all of your scheduled lessons. You can change the calendar view to day, week, month, or list based on preference. I only have one lesson here as an example, but you would see all of the recurring lessons that are scheduled with a student. Once it is time to start a lesson, click the lesson here. Then click More Details, and you will be brought to this page. If you would like, here, you can upload any documents that you would like your student to have access to, such as a worksheet or a printout. To begin the lesson, click the online whiteboard. Make sure that you are using Google Chrome to run TutorCruncher, or it may not work properly. Once you are here, you can begin your video call by clicking the phone icon to open the Communications tab, and click Start Call. Make sure that you have given TutorCruncher permission to access your camera and microphone, or this feature will not work. You can also use this tab to share your screen, or another tab if you would like. You can also access this whiteboard prior to the start of your session by following the same steps that I just outlined, and I would encourage you to set up your materials on here before the start time of your lesson to make it go a little bit smoother. Once the student and you have both begun the video conference, you can begin your lesson. There are a few features within BitPaper that I think would be useful while teaching. You can upload documents. You can create a grid on your whiteboard. You can add additional tabs. You can also change the color of your pen, create straight lines, erase, and scroll around your paper. You can also insert shapes and insert text. Once the session has ended, you will end the call and close the tab. You will then click Mark Complete. This will prompt you to write a report about the session. While you should be keeping detailed notes of your session about what was worked on, student performance, and progress monitoring, this report should just be a snapshot, as this is the report that will be viewed by parents. And then you're done. Congratulations, you have just completed your online lesson. I hope that this has been a helpful introduction to TutorCruncher. I encourage you to explore the website yourself and get comfortable with the online whiteboard before your first lesson. If you have any questions, please just send me an email and I will try to help you out. Thank you for your ongoing dedication to your students and to the Learning Disabilities Society of Greater Vancouver.